I have sold many agency services, but nothing is easier than a website redesign. In the past, the problem was always in setting up the website, connecting to the CRM, doing lead capture. All of this stuff took days, but now AI can do it in minutes. So what I've done in this video is I've created an entire Gohighlevel snapshot that I'm going to give you for free that has AI agents, website, everything in one, and all you have to do is change the niche, and then you can go after anyone in seconds. So this is the exact website I'm talking about. Look at how cool this is. It's got animations, hovering. It's got lead forms. It's got SEO. It's got hover effects. It looks beautiful. It's got reviews. I mean, this is absolutely insane. And it even has AI voice agents connected so the website can actually talk to you. Check this out.
Hi there. Thank you for calling. This is Aria. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing? I'm trying to get my lawn mowed.
Hi, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. It sounds like you're looking for lawn mowing help.
See, I can just keep going. Boom, boom, boom. Look how cool this is. Okay, websites that speak and look good and convert and rank on Google. Guys, this is incredible. I'm going to be giving you this free in this video. Here's the thing. You might be like, well, this is only for landscaping. What I'm going to show you do is how to use this vibe coder, okay, and how to literally change this to any niche in seconds. That way you can go after everyone. Then from there, I'm going to show you how to go on Google Maps, find the right leads, organize the leads, but then most importantly, how to sell this for a price point up to $1,500 and give them an AI receptionist that you can potentially charge up to $500 per month for so you can collect those recurring checks. Guys, we're going to be covering everything in this video, and I'm going to be giving you this Gohighlevel snapshot for free. Let's dig in. So step number one is figuring out who you want to go after, because this website is amazing. It's on Gohighlevel, as you see. We have it in the vibe coder, but I'm going to show you a trick, and I've never done this before in any of my videos. So if you're watching my videos, pay really close attention because I've never done this before. Also, if you have any questions during this video, hit the comments and I'll answer personally. So first things first, you have to figure out who you want to go after. So if we come to Google and you go, let's do plumbers in, we'll just do Prescott AZ. Okay, we come right here and we'll come to maps. And what I'm going to show you is we can pick one of these and actually change this entire niche to match it. So check this out. So we're going to come in and we're just going to say we want Franklin's plumbing services. So what we can do is we can come right back into this vibe code. Okay, this is exactly what built this website here. And opposed to you having to rebuild stuff, because this is already built. This actually took a lot of time. Vibe coding sounds easy, but you actually have to get it just right and prompt it a lot. So what we can do is we can come right in. You take this, you're going to click clone. Okay, we're going to come in here and we're going to actually do Franklin plumbing. Now watch this. We're going to click clone. It's going to go through and copy. And boom, from there, it is now cloned this entire thing. So now what we're going to say is, please keep this as is, except change it to plumbing niche and feel. And the business name is Franklin Plumbing. Also do logo redesign. So check this out. We did this little copy paste trick. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have it redesign it in seconds to the plumbing niche. By the way, before this loads, I just want to let you know, this means we can take this exact pre-built out template that I built so you don't have to do any of the hard work. We can take any niche and we can redo it like that, and we will have any single business as a prospect if they need this. That means every vertical opens, every niche, every city, every town is not safe from your prospecting. Check this out. Pow, look at this. Look at that. In seconds, took our landscaping site, made it match plumbing. How much better is this? Look how cool this is. This is insane. Okay, because this means, if you understand prospecting, this means we can kind of go after anybody. This is big, guys. This is really, really big. And all we had to do was use the vibe coder inside of Gohighlevel, okay, and switch this exact template. So the reason I recommend you get this snapshot, okay, and you use it, A, because it also has the AI agents and it has automations and the widget, which we're going to go over in a sec, because that's going to be how you're going to get the monthly recurring. But more importantly, what makes this so powerful is that this is already built really well. So a lot of people think that the vibe coder can just spit out anything well. It actually doesn't. It actually takes time. And this was what I first thought when we got into AI, I was like, oh, anyone can just build anything. But then I started looking at what people were building and I was like, this is ass. It's really bad. But it was because people thought that the Vibe could build anything. But what it was actually doing is it was just spitting out something that looked nice. But with this, as you see, it's got SEO, it's got contact forms, it's got testimonials. It's building this all out step by step with the rubric that I have built that actually works. That's the whole point. Obviously, you have to make sure everything is connected, but like that's the point of this. A click request service, boom, right to the free quote form. Like it's set up to do well. You see what I'm saying? Whereas most other vibe coded sites, they aren't like that. And it's got the AI agents where you can chat with them and whatnot. So with this now brings us to the next point, which is, well, this is amazing. How do we start, pitching this to people? How do we start doing website redesigns? How do we get the recurring money? Because this Snapshot doesn't just have this, amazing website, which took a while, and this amazing AI agent. It also has some pipelines, this big automation, which is really important that we're going to be using. By the way, I'm going to give you this to you for free, but I'm going to show you how to get recurring money with this. So we now need to move on to that real quick. If you are wondering, why should you listen to a guy in a robe talking about Gohighlevel? Well, I just want to let you know that I have won a ton of awards with HighLevel, as you see on the screen right now. Okay. I've even interviewed their founder and I know him personally, as you see on the screen right now. And more importantly, I've talked at their events because I am an expert, as you see right here, because I actually do this. Okay. And I really want to help you. And I don't have some high ticket course or some weird coaching to sell you. I don't have that. Okay. I'm giving you stuff for free that I believe can help you. Yes, it takes hard work. Yes, you can do it, but it is possible if you're willing to put the work and effort in. But again, like I actually am a high-level wizard. I'm not just some guy LARPing out here. I actually am the high-level wizard. I've been doing this for years. And you see, like I spend almost all day on high level. Like I am a high-level nerd. So I'm giving you the best stuff that has worked for me, and hopefully it will work for you. So just in case you're a little hesitant, there's a little bit of proof for you. So what we do now is we basically find the exact niche you want to go after, find the location, and we want to start reaching out to these businesses, okay, and getting them to buy our stuff. Now we can use Ask AI's feature to qualify these. If you haven't seen my video, drop a comment down below and I'll send it to you. It is amazing. I'm not going to go over this in this video because I have so many videos on this, but it's a way to easily get leads and then you reach out to them. But I want to show you something more important, which is how to get the recurring money. Because for some of you guys, when you sell this, it may honestly be better for you to give these website redesigns away for free as the ultimate lead magnet. Because you think about it this way, if you come to these businesses, as opposed to you going, hey, buy my stuff for XYZ, buy this, buy that, you can just go up and say, hey, I'm going to build you a website. I'm going to build you the forms. I'm going to build you the calendars. I'm going to go through all of this hard work, give you the AI agents. Wink, wink, you're using my free Snapshot. But they don't know that. It makes you look like you're doing a lot of work. But from there, you're building massive reciprocity. Okay. They go, okay, this marketer is different than the other ones. He or she came in. They're giving me all of this for free. They're actually trying to help me. And then if I like it, we can move on to something else, which is where I think you should go with this, because as I'm always trying to do is give you the edge. And right now, because as you saw, the vibe coder is so easy, you just type it in and it builds. We can give them value like that. But I don't just want you to get a little bit of cash. I want you to collect the recurring for the high-level system. And this Snapshot has this automation, all this stuff. And that's really what I want to show you. So without further ado, let me show you how I think you should price this and move through this once you have your leads and you've rebuilt their website. So this is kind of like the full package you can give them. And the cool part about this, guys, is this is already in the Snapshot. Let me give you for free. It's all kind of baked in there. But you have website hosting, you can say security maintenance is all kind of cooked into there. You have the AI receptionist, you have the entire CRM and automation. You have all these different features that they get as part of this. Now, what I recommend you do, now you don't have to go this high because this is pretty high, but you can basically charge $1,000 a month for an entire system. So this video is a little bit different than my other videos because in my other videos, I just say, hey, give them this one thing or give them this one thing, which is fine. But in this video, I want to show you how to kind of give them the whole high-level system, which is everything A to Z. And that's why I recommend give the website away, redesign for free. So immediately you're building some prosody and then be like, hey, you can have this entire system. Get them used to the system. They like the system. They taste the system. So they know that you're not a scammer and they know that you're real. And then from there say, hey, we can move you into something else. And you don't have to charge this price. You could go, hey, it's normally $1,000 a month. I'll give it to you for $300 a month. Boom, price anger, tight sales tactics. They go, okay, it's not that bad. But my whole point is if you can give someone the entire system, the chances of them leaving you are much lower. This is what a lot of you guys don't understand. If you do a good job with high level, like you actually do a good job, people will stay. Again, I'm not promising it's going to happen to you, but in my experience, when you actually do what you said you're going to do and you do it well, Business owners don't mind paying you month after month. This has been my experience. They go, you know what? This guy actually does a job. And I've had clients that have been paying me for years. Years, yes. Not months, but years. And they don't even think about it because I run their business online. I have the system that helps them with that. So with this kind of stuff, it's like, you just want to make sure that you are properly going through and actually doing this because this is what's going to make a difference. And the snapshot I'm giving you kind of solves all of these problems. So this is what I recommend. Give the website away for free unless you want to just sell it, and then try to get a bigger monthly recurring. If you think about it this way, you get 10 clients on $9.97, that's $10K a month, right about there. It'll be a couple dollars shy. So 20 clients, $20K a month. 30 clients, $30K a month. That's amazing because if you think about it, okay, there are millions, tens of millions of businesses in the United States alone, not the world, but just the United States alone. How hard would it be to get 20 businesses to say yes? In my opinion, not hard because there's millions of them. There's just so many. That's why I go so hard on the prospecting is when you really kind of like stretch your mind and you go, you know what, this is possible, a door opens up that changes everything. So that's what I recommend you do. If you guys have questions on any of this or you're confused, drop a comment down below and I'll get you hooked up with any tutorial you want. By the way, I say this in every video, but always drop comments. I want this to be an interactive learning experience. That is my whole goal with this channel. You watch, you question, you get answer, you watch again. You learn like that. Obviously, I'd love to have you in my free community, but if you can't get into that and you already have high level, I still want to help you regardless. Like I genuinely care about you. Yes, you, the person watching this video, I want you to win. So as you go through, drop a comment and I'll help you out. It's free. But I want to make sure you're learning as you go, and then you have to take action. That's the whole other thing is that if you don't take action after you learn, you don't change your behavior, you're not going to make any money. So please do that. Please drop comments because I want to help you. So that is how we provide one of the easiest services in Gohighlevel history, these website redesigns. So that's how we do it. That's how we change it. If you want access to this snapshot with this amazing website, okay, the pipelines, the sick automations pre-built out, the AI agents, all of this built out for free, okay, you can get access to this when you join my free community. And if you didn't know, the way you get access to that is signing up with my not 14-day, as you see here, free trial, but 30-day free trial right down below. Yes, I talked to the team and got an extended 30-day free trial. That is how amazing this is. And if you don't believe me, you can just come to this page. And this is what I recommend you do, because I can talk all day. But click the link down below and just come right in and look at all of these testimonials. Just look at them. That's what I recommend you do. Look at the wins. Just look at it. Just check it out. That's all I want you to do. I'm not promising these results are going to happen to you, but I have so many people that have done so well, and I just want you to check it out. That's it. Because I really think you're going to love this, because here's the thing. You can get this entire community, okay? All of the winning, posts where you can talk to people, all of my trainings, all of my snapshots, all of my bonuses, which is way more than anyone else, but all of my live calls, even the ones, as you see here, where I'm talking to people face-to-face on Zoom, like you're seeing on the screen right now, and all these other calls. Again, you get access to all of this for free. You can message me whenever you want. And here's the thing. The reason this is so powerful, and I know I say this so many times, but it just is that you can try it risk-free. That's my goal. It's like, I always, when I got started in this online space, I always wanted to try stuff, okay? But everyone said, all right, pay me $10K because you have to be committed. The problem is the vast majority of people that paid didn't win either. So I was like, something's not right here. So I was like, I'm going to create a product one day so damn good, okay, that it is basically impossible to say no to. And with this, I was like, you know what? I need to give away some for free. Something where they can try it. They can get access. And if they use high level under me, they can get it free forever. That was my whole goal. And I was like, how can I give them something so good, okay, that they'll stay forever? And that's what I've been doing. That's my goal. That's why I have so many wins. That's why I go further than everyone else, is because I actually try very hard. I really do. I'm a try hard. I'm not gonna deny it. I really try to give you more than anyone else. I really do. And if you don't believe me, drop a comment down below saying, hey, is this group legit? And you'll see a bunch of people post, be like, yo, this shit is amazing. I'm just saying this. I know you probably think I'm just over promoting stuff, and you're like, man, this guy's getting old with his promos, but like, I genuinely believe I can help you with this. And if you go out and you look at my community, you look at anyone else that's in my space or really any other space adjacent to the high level space, you will not see anyone doing what I'm doing, I promise. There's no one that gives away the amount of stuff that I give away. Go find it. I will give you a cookie if you can find it. You just won't. No one is doing it the way I'm doing it. I am truly changing the game, and I'm doing this because I want you to win. Yes, does it take hard work? Absolutely. But it is worth it. And the AI wave is big right now. Okay, ride it while you can before it gets too hard, because it will get too hard. I promise you. This is how these opportunities come. They come, and then everyone's too lazy. They wait, and then they go, and then they want to get on board. Those who get in now, as you see here in my group with all these winners, okay, first client, all this stuff amazing, they're the ones that take action. And again, you get access to all of this for free when you sign up with not the 14-day, but the 30-day free trial down below. So please, if that interests you, please check that out. And also, you get access to this amazing snapshot with all of this amazing stuff for free, which is in there. So if that interests you, go down below, check that out. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to link a video that's going to be showing you how to use Ask AI. So if we come right over here, how to use this feature right here, Ask AI, to actually generate and qualify leads on Google. Yes, I'm going to be linking at the end of this video. This is really important if you're trying to sell website redesigns. I didn't add this in this video because it would make this video way too long, but I definitely recommend you check the video that's about to pop up at the end because it's going to go over how to use Ask AI to kind of get unlimited leads pretty much. It's amazing. So please watch that. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Please, if you're interested in the community, just get in. Just try it out for 30 days. You can also upgrade under it. There's also another way. If you've already have high level and you're fully upgraded, there's a little fee you can pay to get in. I recommend you check that out too. I think everyone just needs to be a part of this. Just I'm being serious. So check that out if that's you. But yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I want to see you win. Please work hard. Please stay dedicated. And yeah, watch the video that pops up at the end of this one because it could change everything for you. Watch the video.